Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are starting a new playlist, which is Python module of the week. Let's start with date and time. So now, date and time in programming can be a nightmare, but Python has a very cool built-in function to help us to handle date and time, to format it beautifully well, to calculate difference between date and time. And we're going to make a deep dive into this in just 3 minutes. Yes, I mean it's just 3 minutes, right? So alright, so let's quickly have it here. And the first thing we need to do is just to say from date time right here. So can you say from datetime right here, import datetime, and we can say now is equals to datetime.now. So I'll just go ahead and say datetime.now, and this will give us the current date now. So if I just go ahead and say print out, so let's use the formatted string right here, and I say raw. So I want to print out the raw version of this datetime.now. We will see it right here printed out on the terminal, which is the current date time now. And this is going to show you what this today is. Today is 12th of 2025, 16, right? That's the date. I'm filming this video, and that's the date you are seeing there right there on the screen. And here now we can now beautifully format this in different ways right here. So I'll just go ahead and comment on formatting right here. So if you use a %y right here, this will give us the year in this format. And if you use a % with a small letter m, this will give us the month we are using for this format. Right there we have month. And if you use a %d right here, this will give us the day. And if you use a capital letter H right here, you get the hour, m, you get the minutes. You get a minute. And this is how it works in formatting. There are so many other formatting methods that you can look at in the documentation or in any article you can find online. So, but this is what I'm just going to stick with right today. Right now, I can just come ahead and say, I want to print out something else. I'll just go ahead and comment this and say formatted right here now. So I want to have a formatted type right here, formatted variable right here. And I want to say now dot strip time, right? So I'm saying now dot strip time now. So it's going to print this now date now in a formatted way for me, right? I'm stripping this now time right here into a better format. Don't forget the way we printed it the last time and what we get. So I will uncomment this so we can compare the two of them, right, when we are running it. So right here, I'm just going to put in this channel here now. So I'm going to have a %y, then I want to have dash here now, then %m, then dash here, then %d. That's the year, month, and day. Then I want to read to follow by the hour, then the minute, just like that, right? So I can just go down right here and print out formatted, right? So I just say formatted right here, and right here we have the variable right here. So if I should go ahead and run this program now, you will see what I'm getting on the terminal. This is a raw version of what we have, but now I'm able to get a more formatted way to do this. And you can see that you can explore printing this out in walls just based on the format that you give to it. You understand? So that's all on our Python module of the week, and today we explore date and time module. Don't forget to like this YouTube video and subscribe to my channel, and let me know the kind of videos or the module you would like us to talk about, and if you'd like us to go more in depth of this on this date and time module in the comment section. Bye, see you in the next one.